So let's start with this door, the entry. Okay. Now this entry, this is the first time the Shobha has done a designer door. Basically, we never had a designer door. We always have a door like this, plain, all plain. But classical, the first time we did a little bit of this grooves and all here, right? Plus you have this side glass here. Now if you see it complete, it gives you a wide and big feel for your entrance. This is obviously very important, right? So the moment you enter, now you enter, now you see here, this is your foyer area, okay, which is wooden texture tiles which you have given. This will give you again a warm feeling because it gives a wooden, if you anybody comes, you feel it's actually wood, but it's not a wood, it's tilings. This is the first time again the Shobha has implemented in this particular project. That's a one. Now coming in this space you have here, this is for your shoe racks. Okay, though we know the shoe racks is always kept in the corridor, it is never inside the house. Okay, but as per the drawing, we have to provide a shoe racks which is kept here. So this can be utilized at least for your storage purpose. It is you put a wardrobes and other things, and then you can make a nice wardrobe space. Then you enter your, after entrance, this is your first bedroom. This is a kid's bedroom. Okay, big wide kids bedroom. The area of this kid bedroom is 11 by 4 by 13.5. This is 13.5. The width is 11.4. Now this bedroom, again, if you see on the sides, if you can put all the sides, it is again got the same kind of tilings, same kind of texture, that wooden texture tiles which you have put all around, and the white off-white tiles we have kept at the center. So this again gives a different look to your whole this bedroom. Now again a change from the Shobha is this full length window. Okay, the window which starts from the ground till the top. Okay, it's a French window, opening completely. Now because it is opening from the ground, you need to have a safety, so we have provided you this grill.
So this will be like this.
This is as it is. Okay, and there is this one step out. Okay, anyone, even if I lean to this grill, it will give me a balcony feel once I am seeing outside. So this is a very good plus point for this house. Plus for the lighting purpose. For the light, it is the best to have the opening from the ground, because it says, as per the architects, they say that the light, when it comes, falls from outside, falls on the ground. The moment it falls on the ground, your whole room becomes brighter, becomes well lit. Okay, so this is your French windows, all Shobha's own product. Okay. Coming to this kids bedroom, your clear roof height will be 9.8 feet. So this is a false ceiling what you see right now, but then you have a ceiling above this. With this bedroom you have attached bath. Now this attached bathroom also, if you just come in, close the door, you come in much, close the door. Now if you see here, now look at this flooring also. It's the same flooring which we have given in the room and as well as in the foyer. These are their anti-skid tiles. Okay. Now this bathroom, what you see here is there is a 1.5 feet dip, 1.5 tiles dip. Okay. This is for in case somebody, when it's a wet area, it's a dry area. So water should not flow towards the dry area. Okay. In case somebody wants a closure, a glass closure, we have given this groove here, a cut here. Can you see this? There's a cut here which has been given here, right, so that you can put your glass from here. If you put a tiles here, what happens is, if anybody wants to drill the tiles break. So rather we give this granites, it's a granite, so you can easily put a hole here, it won't break. The hole is very easy to make on this, and you can put your glass shutters here. Divider. Now, plus the tilings, whatever you see, the color and all will remain as it is. With the false ceiling, what you see will remain as it is. Okay. One more best part is this window. Now there is a duct here. Now duct is given huge. It is given because you can keep your AC vents also inside this. Okay. 2 AC vents can come here, 2 AC vents in another bathroom. Okay. So what happens from this is, when you close it, so your heat of that AC vent sound noise from the house vent, any water dripping and all will remain inside the duct. Your house remains clean. Done. And what you see here, the granite, the sink, the tap, the everything is as it is. It remains. What you won't get in this bathroom won't be the mirror as well as this wooden cabinets. This is not a part of house. Yeah, very important again. This drain. If you see this drain, it's not a corner one, but we put the square kind of thing. It's not that. We have given a full length drain. So this is very important because if anything gets stuck, you can just open it completely. You can open like this, clean it and close it back. Okay, so there is no blockage of water due to hair or dust or something. It just falls and stops usually. So this will, the water will be cleanly, it will keep on moving. It won't stop anywhere. Coming out from here, from the foyer again. Then the best part of this house is this living and dining, which is L shape. So your living remains separate, your dining is completely separate. Okay. Now let me start with the living area. Now living area also, I have got a similar kind of window. The big French window here. I opened it again. You have a one step out and then there is a grill part here. Okay. Again gives that balcony feel because you don't have balcony here. Why I say it? Because of the view, even a person sits at the last chair also can have a view towards the open courtyard, which we have that 4 acres of courtyard. Okay, so you have a clear view of that. Again, a very important part factor. This is the AC what we have put here, then the vents is in the duct. And then there is a window here. This is basically a window which goes to the deck area, which I will show you, you can see from dining. Now this is your dining area. You can put exactly 6-seater. We have kept 4, but you can keep a 6-seater dining table here. And the same kind of wooden texture, if you see, is all around the house. It's all around the house. So this is giving a beautiful look of the flooring here. Very beautiful, aesthetic. And then again we have this French window here. You enter to this covered deck. This covered deck has an entrance from the living as well as from the dining. Okay. This is going to be covered like this. Then there will be a grill. This part is going to be your grill area. The similar kind of texture tiles, wooden texture tiles. And then you have, so this can be used as your terrace garden. This can be used, you can keep your coffee table here. You can even dry your clothes at one of the sides and have a look of your whole house is seen, right? For that we have given one drain for any water. If you want to clean this or rain comes out, it's a beautiful drain given here. There's a plug point, switch points given here, one here and one on that side. You can see there, 2 switch points in case somebody wants to use some kind of study here, laptops, or want to use some even TVs or anything, they can use here. Fan points have been given there because there is a fan point one here, as well as swing hooks also will be providing here. Because later whatever you fix later on, it may not remain that strength. If you put initially when you do the slabbing, this remains forever. Okay, this also we are going to provide you. This is one of the best part of this whole house, is this deck area. The deck area itself is around 10.1. This is 10.1 by 9.2. This 10.1 is 9.2, which is quite big. From the dining, now we come to this side. This is the master bedroom. Okay, the master bedroom is 12.8 by 12.6. Now, exactly, it's a square only. And now here we have given a similar concept here. Large size window with the grill. Okay, plus similar kind of tilings around. Same height, 9.8 feet height, and a good space in and around. Even put in the king size bed here with the wardrobe area on the other side. You can see the wardrobe area here. This is your wardrobe areas. Put it here. And I have a space. I have a good space to move around. Then this comes with the attached bathroom. Bathroom is same what we have seen in the kids bedroom. The bathroom also remains same. So you have a similar kind of granite top here. Then you have this sink, taps, all these fitting fixtures, whatever you see here will remain same. Similar kind of openings, the tilings, the fixtures, the opening, and the duct again. One more here, where one more AC vent. You can keep it inside and close it back. With the false ceiling, and there is one slight golden glue. It is given outline on that to give it little bit better look on this master bedroom, bathroom.
Glass shutter डालने के लिए
That they have other design. Master bedroom board design. Coming here out, then we have this common bathroom here. Similar bathroom, same size. Everything remains same. Whatever you see here, whatever we have seen the other two bathrooms will remain same. Good size bathrooms. Then this is your common bedroom. Sorry, guest bedroom. Okay, this is your guest bedroom. Now they here, because your width of your passage is more, so wardrobe has been kept one side. Okay, I can open it up. Your wardrobe is one side, sliding. We usually prefer to be a sliding, because if it is like opening on the one side, then it will occupy a space. If it's a sliding, so you still have a space to move around. And then your complete room will remain open. Okay, if it is a kids room, by chance you want to convert this into the kids room, so your study, your bookshelves, your libraries, everything will come in this particular wall, and you have a still nice place to move around with a similar kind of window, large window. Here the width is little more, the length is same, the width is little lesser than the other two windows. Okay. This room size is 11.6 by 11.4. Okay. Now coming to the main part of the house is kitchen. Kitchen is open concept. So your kitchen basically starts from here. Put here. Kitchen starts from here. Okay, it goes like this, all around up to here, comes back here. It's up to this side. This is the wall of the kitchen. This is all kitchen. Now what we provide in the kitchen is the tiling, the similar kind of tiling from ground to ceiling. What we provide you are all taps, tap points. This tap points will be there, and this switches. This we will provide. But the granite, sink, and all woodwork is not a part of the fixtures. We won't provide that. It's part of interiors. Okay, and no cabinets and all. This is all part of interiors. Now here what we have done is extra is, because it's an open kitchen, so I can modify it as per my own choice. So what I have done is, we have extended this platform from here up to here. When I extend this platform, I have a more space to utilize it for. Plus, I made this table which I am utilizing it as a breakfast counter. I can use it as a breakfast counter, and this itself, this part itself, is given a beautiful look on this whole area. My living, dining, and my breakfast counter, and a space look. And if you can see here, if you stand here and look outside, you can even see one person walking from that side up to that end, because it's complete open from everywhere.
Right.
Yeah, you can see from one end up to that end.
Yeah.
You will see a complete thing walking from there. So that is also a wonderful. What we have done is, because this is a refrigerator area, so we have made, and we have kept an inbuilt refrigerator here, along with one side for the crockery or for the storage, anything whatever they want, or they can even put a double door refrigerator here. Anything can, whatever they like. Okay, one more thing, very important thing, is the cross ventilation in kitchen especially. So now we have provided a window here, which is again a very big. This particular window has got a space here for your kitchen garden hanging. We call it a kitchen garden kind of thing, a small garden. They can put up pots and all, put a lot of plants here, and it comes with a grill. Okay, so it's a beautiful space here if somebody is cooking and have a nice feel here outside, because it is green. Now this has a cross ventilation from here up to that living and dining, what you see here, the living and dining. So it's completely open from there to here. So there is a good cross ventilation across. Okay? As I say, it's a large window again. So I'll close like this. Now coming to again to this utility part. This utility we have again designed little bit differently. One side you have the washing machine point. Your washing machine will be there with the point is given there. It's a separate area. Your dishwasher is going to be here. This is your dishwasher place. Switch points have been given here for both. Okay. In this granite slab, sink, the tap, this all is there. We are providing that, and this will be open to sky. Okay, and this has to be open, otherwise because it's a wet area. So this obviously becomes a little stinky if you keep it closed. So let it be open. And this has been given a glass door, a tinted glass door, so that you know what is happening in the utility. So this is the entire things what we talk about the layout. Now I will talk about the quality of it. Now coming to the wood part, especially the door part, majority of the issues happen in the door. Usually, see, this is a wood. One other day it will show its nature. Today, tomorrow, 5 year, 10 year down the line, it will show its nature. It will bend some other place. It will bend. There's no other go. So what we do is our doors are made up of 3 pieces. 2 sheets joined together, one at the front, one at the back. Full length sheet joined together and compressed with this cap. We call it a cap. It's a compressed with this cap. Okay. So in case if this door or this piece of wood wants to bend anywhere, this cap won't allow it to bend. This is patched here. Okay. So however you do see it today, almost lifelong you will find it as it is. It won't bend, it won't change, it won't get defect. It might break, it's a wood. You might break it for something, that will happen, but it will never bend. First thing. Very second important thing is, just see here, there is a rubber beadings given here. Can you see this? Rubber beadings. These rubber beadings are in every door including main door. Now this is for because of the air or because of the kids or because by mistake somebody bangs the door. It won't make the noise. So I will just close it once, have a look of that. It won't make you the noise. Second thing of this particular thing, very important thing, sometimes if this is not there, if somebody bangs the door, it chips out. The wood, it chips out slowly, and then happens the cracks here because it keeps on hitting it, and happens the cracks here. Because of this, it will stop it. So that also is a plus point. Third thing for this door is there is never a crack on this part. Usually you'll find a crack on this part. Any house, you'll find a crack in this part. Why? Because they close this skeleton of this door, they close it with the iron hinges, clamps, they call it iron clamps. What happens due to the weather change, it expands a little. When it expands, then you get a cracks. Obviously the wall will get a cracks here. What we do is we won't use those clamps. What we do is we paste the door. Our doors are pasted with the wall and then put a cap on top of this, closed with a silicone sealant. If you touch here, press here a little, you will find a softness here. This is called silicone sealant. It is closed there, so you will never find a crack or a hole entire life in this particular region at all. This is very plus point. That is where the showbas, when we talk about quality, is this one. And obviously if you see even the tilings, you have given a divide. Can you see this? There's a gap given here. This gap has been given here. This is always given, this gap here. Why? Because in case if I have to change one tile, if when I remove this, my other tile should not get affected. It should not break. In case of by some fridge or some kind of material will get break, I can change it without even getting other tiles damaged. Very important factor again. And yeah, okay, you get every room, living, dining, you have water sprinkles for the safety purpose. You have water in case of any accident or fire. There are a lot of enough water sprinkles given throughout your house. That is also there. Then obviously all openings, but if you see all, if you properly look into this plan, the whole house is actually facing to one side. It's completely all the bedrooms, living, dining, everything facing to one side with the bigger windows. So what it implies is, my house is facing towards my main courtyard, which is 4 acres courtyard. what we say our British architect design is in that courtyard. So when I see from here, so everything is opening towards that. So from every corner of my house, I have a good, beautiful view with a nice breeze. Or it is facing to outside of my project. Outside of my project, I have a clean open view because it's all green in and around. So you have a nice open space, open view, nice sunlight and a good air coming in. Yeah, that's, I think, total sum.
You can just wind up like you can say some like final words whatsoever.
Final words of Shobha, obviously. See, I prefer always Shobha. Yeah, okay. I prefer always Shobha when it is for your own use, because every client, most of the clients will come here for an investment also, and they end up staying in Shobha and giving their previous, wherever they are staying, previous homes as in rental or some investment. They will keep this because Shobha is the product. It's a one-time buy. You buy it today and lifelong. It's a hassle-free. There is no maintenance. We call it a zero maintenance. Okay. There is no kind of, you have, whether if it's a legally, all legal documents perfect, all approvals taken on time, land issues are not there, construction issues are not there because we have our own contractors. Shobha is the only backward integrated company right now in the country. So we have more than 70% of the materials which is used in construction is Shobha's own manufacture. Yeah, so our contractors are our own, our engineers in collaboration with the German technology. We have our own designers, we have our own architects, our materials are our own. So we hold the quality of that. That is why we boasted that this is Shobha. No builder can compare the quality with Shobha. That is for sure, and that is 100%. So we always suggest, come to Shobha, experience yourself. You are satisfied, go for it. You are not satisfied, then give us a reason why, because we don't think there should be any reason which is negative about the Shobha. Thank you.